This video examines how AI will impact our work as humans. To do this, we'll target a distinguished leader in the AI race, Microsoft, in the 2023 Build conference. Specifically, Microsoft Build is an annual conference for developers and IT professionals. The conference is designed to help developers learn about Microsoft's latest technologies and build and connect with other developers. As developers and knowledge workers, this conference gives us a peek around the corner for the next big thing in technology. To no one's surprise, AI took center stage at the conference. There were so many implementations of AI that my head started to spin a bit. However, I gathered my senses enough to get you guys a summary of what to look out for. The driving point of most speeches at the conference was that Microsoft is using AI
to reduce the time knowledge workers spend
on shallow tasks. These are the tasks that every knowledge worker does on a day-to-day basis, but ultimately contribute very little to the actual value that the worker can provide. For developers, a shallow task is typically revolved around writing boilerplate code. For knowledge workers, in general, said tasks can be writing or responding to emails, direct messages, meetings, and clicking between applications. Just like Microsoft and GitHub have used Copilot AI to alleviate the need to write boilerplate code for developers, Microsoft will integrate similar Copilots throughout Windows 11. One of the standouts is Windows Copilot, a centralized AI designed to help you orchestrate different workflows across your PC. Think using Windows, but with the ChatGPT-like assistant helping you to do stuff on your computer. This Copilot can help you change your personal settings, manage various applications, dynamically summarize, explain, or even rewriting documents. It also enables you to communicate more easily with other team members. What's most impressive is that it can extend its utility through plugins built by the open source community. This last point is what makes this innovation stand out. Accordingly, Microsoft has only built in a basic set of features related to this Copilot, and the rest of its capabilities will ultimately be developed by coders like you and me. Copilot X is the newest advancement in pair programming technology derived from the original GitHub Copilot released to the public on June of 2022. One of the features of Copilot X is that it can generate code for a broader range of tasks. For example, Copilot X can generate web development, mobile development, and data science code. Another critical feature of Copilot X is that it will be able to learn from your feedback. The more you use Copilot X, the better it will become at generating code that meets your needs. Finally, Copilot X will also have an integrated chat correspondence in your Visual Studio text editor. Think ChatGPT, but with the ability to understand the context of your project. GitHub Copilot X is intended to help developers think about the problems they're solving at a higher, almost design level, and leave many of the pulling hairs aspects of development to the model. Another subtle but essential announcement is the integration of Bing with GPT-4. One of the most significant complaints about the model is that it cannot do a live search on the internet for your prompt. The integration of Bing solves this problem. Windows is pushing to integrate AI into every workflow of its operating systems. As of 2023, Windows holds 57% of the desktop OS market in the United States. With this many machines operating in the hands of users, over half of the market will use AI to complete daily tasks in some way or another. Once you start viewing it from this lens, as a user, you also realize the immensity potentially unfolding here. We're rapidly shifting into a world where we do less work but produce more. This likely means a decrease in human capital while simultaneously increasing the output of each human participant in the workforce. The best strategy for the near future is to become a wizard at using these technologies to allow you to outperform your competitors in the market. Developers can also have a leading edge in the market by building tools that further allow for the proliferation of this technology. If you want to learn how to use your coding skills to take advantage of these innovations, subscribe and hit the bell, as you will be notified for the next video, where we'll explore the money-making opportunities created from this shift.